Hello everyone, today I will show you how to insert multiple fillable text boxes and make them same size using PDF XChange editor. Open your fillable PDF form and select this from option, this menu bar, and here you will find this text box option. Click here and drag your mouse cursor inside your text box and second on inside and select field, and I'll make two of the same size and select arrange, and here you will find this same size. Also you can align here center and see this. Now select home and hand option and now type text. See this, and also you can type number. Okay, again go from option and select field and click on this text field and click right button and select properties option, and right sidebar here you will find this properties. Here you can change text box fill color and this border color and red, and white also you can increase and see this. Yeah, and this is font size text and auto font size this text color and so on, and manually you can increase decrease this text box size, and you can move them anywhere. See this. Yeah, this is, and finally select this file option, save or save as a fillable PDF form. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comments.